Welcome at the PASC23 on stage, and we are back to discuss, to continue the discussion or the summary on the mini-symposium that are happening at the PASC conference. I am here now with Andrey, Aleksenko, and Szilárd from KTH. So what was your mini-symposium about?
So our mini-symposium was about a new programming a model called SYCL. It's a performance portability layer for heterogeneous programming. And it's the second mini-symposium focused on performance and portability at this conference. So it's clearly a hot topic. And while the first mini-symposium was performance portability beyond C++, here focused on performance portability within C++. And yeah, how can we...
So what inspired you to submit such a mini-symposium at the PASC conference?
There is a lot of very technical and implementer-oriented conferences and workshops around SYCL, but actually we have never seen anything focused on and designed for application developers where they can exchange their experience and have a discussion. So that's why we decided to counterbalance this implementer-oriented.
So after the mini-symposium, so after you had your discussion, not mini-discussion, sorry, your discussions, what were the main messages or the take-home messages that you want to share?
One of the major things that we have learned, especially having seen the full room, is that application developers would really like to have something portable to write one code and run it on multiple platforms. And this was our experience too in the GROMACS project. We really want to strive for portability and simplicity for writing code once, optimizing it for different platforms, and then running it on multiple devices, like we do even on AMD platforms. We run SYCL with using the HIP-SYCL platform, and there seemed to be a lot of interest for other application developers to do the same and learn from each other's experiences, learn from the limitations, the shortcomings, the tricks and tips from everyone's experiences to move forward.
So were you happy with the audience that you were that was gathered at your mini-symposium and the discussion? Was there the multidisciplinarity that we advertised so much at the PASC conference?
Yes, I think we covered multidisciplinarity. We had our speakers represent a number of different projects from different HPC areas. So it's seismic modeling, particle physics, you name it. And yeah, I think it was quite a lot of balance. And
okay.
Yeah.
That's very good. That's very good. Points. So, Szilárd, what are the hope for the future? You can both answer. I mean, you can start and then you continue.
First of all, we live in interesting times where the diversity of HPC architectures is posing a great challenge. To be first a little bit negative, this great challenge is posing a lot of headaches to application developers. So to contrast, to be hopeful, there are programming models that promise portability and ease of use to write code once, tune it, and then use it on multiple platforms. And I think we should hope that these platforms and these programming models live on and gain traction and gain more
momentum. Okay, thank you. And for you?
Yes, I agree with Szilárd. And SYCL is somewhat, it has its niche. It's relatively low level compared to many other solutions, but yeah, even it shows that even at quite a low level, when we are doing quite a lot of device-specific optimizations, we can still have, and yeah, a lot of people do achieve a great performance with portable code. So yeah.
So then let's hope that there will be a momentum, and then we will have a follow-up next year. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.